Hello guys, here Pookie is a trainer. Today I am going to discuss about the Ultra Unlock 3 parts news. So this going to discuss from the every important news is shown by PokemonGoLive.com. Now let's see what are the news. First let's see the news. Here, look, Ultra Unlock. Everyone thought that there will be uh, might be Giratina or might be Arceus, but both went wrong. Now I understand what was the Hoopa's mystery, because they Hoopa was going to bring the Galarian Pokemons. Wow. No, Aladdin Pokemon has been released, but Galarian Pokemon is already released. Nice joke, right? I thought that they might bring. I don't know why they bring before Alolan region Pokemon. Before Galarian region Pokemon, Alolan region Pokemon do not make its debate. I don't know. Let's see. I think they will bring after it. Only Melton is the Alola region Pokemon in Pokemon Go. That because it came mistakenly when the Pokemon Home update was coming. Then there was spawning a little everywhere, but when the trainers catch it, they appear as a ditto. Now see. Ultra Unlock Part 3 will be about the Galar region. The final part of this year, Ultra Unlock will feature two legendary Pokemon first found in the Galar region, Zacian and Samasanda, making their Pokemon Go debates. Alongside them, Scorbett, Greedent, Wooloo, Dubwool and Falcon will be racing in Pokemon Go. Scorbett is a squirrel Pokemon and its evolution is Greedent, and Wooloo is a sheep. You might know if you see some Galarian Sword and Shield games, you can see a sheep. Then Dubwool is a evolution and falling. That I don't remember it. Let's see. Will also be. I will show a video. Let's search for it. What is arriving in Pokemon Go? If you're lucky, you might encounter a shiny Galarian Meowth. Or shiny Galarian Meowth is going to be nice. Shiny Galarian Farfetch'd, nice. Shiny Galarian Weezing, or a shiny Galarian. And a shiny Galarian Sunwiz must say. I think from shiny Galarian Weezing or a shiny Galarian Sunwiz. I don't know what they say. Let's see. I think what will be released. The date and time. Friday, August 20, 2021 at 10 a.m. to Tuesday, August 21 at 8 p.m. local time. Now let's see. What are the news? A trailer is here. Let's see. It is from Pokemon Go YouTube channel. Sorry guys. Wait a minute. These are the Wooloo. This is Corvette. I think this is the Fallen. Yeah. This is this sword. The shield-like Pokemon is Samasanda, and this is Zacian. Let's see what about it. trainers. Hooper, the mystery from Pokemon Go Fest continues with the final part of our Unlock event, Part 3, Sword and Shield. No one could have predicted that Pokemon originally discovered in Galar region of Pokemon Sword and Pokemon Shield would be making their Pokemon Go events. Yeah, that is right. So that Niantic gave no answer for us and no clues until now. Oh, nice. I thought that they will go simple clues after the days and days. The final part of this year, Ultra Long will feature the Pokemon Go debate for two legendary Pokemon first found in the Galar region, Sassy and Andy Samasanda. They hero many battle forms. It appears that the one who brought them to Pokemon Go was none other than Hoopa, which recently caused a mystery during Pokemon Go Fest 2000. Alongside them, Scarlet, Great, and Woolo, the Bull, and Falling will be appearing in Pokemon Go. If you are lucky, you might that we discussed. No, see, futures. Scarlet and Woolo will be appearing more frequently in the wild. Okay, you can also forward to finding the Galarian Darumaka, Trubbish, and more. I think normal Trubbish, no Galarian Trubbish. I don't know. There is Galarian Trubbish. And more. I think they might be in the wild. If you are lucky, you might encounter a phalanx. I think that will be rare to find. Like this. Like the Axew Gibble before community day. I don't know. I don't think so. That will be so rare. Let's see. The following Pokemon will be hatching from 7 km X, Galarian Meowth, Galarian Monitor, Galarian Slowpoke, Galarian Farfetch, Galarian Zigzagoon, Galarian Darumaka, and Galarian Sunwiz. Where is Galarian Weezing? I don't know. I think they will know. I am going to hunt for Galarian Zigzagoon and Galarian Sunwiz for more candies. If you are lucky, you might encounter a shiny Galarian Meowth, shiny Galarian Farfetch, or shiny Galarian Weezing, or shiny Galarian Sunwiz. See below for when of these will be appearing in race during the event. Complete event exclusive timed research for a chance to encounter Pokemon first discovered in the Galar region. Timed research. So that there will be timed research that you will encounter a Galar region Pokemon. You might get that Pokemon for Great League. Might be trade, no have friends, you might get them field research tasks from Pokestop. If you complete the field research, you may encounter Scarlet, Woolo, or Phalanx. Starting on Thursday, August 19, 2021 at 3 p.m. PDT, uniform that appears in Galar region will be available as avatar items in Pokemon Go. That means in Pokemon game Sword and Shield, if you enter the gym, you must wear a uniform of that gym, that type. So that will be appearing in Pokemon Go too. Pick up the gym challenge uniform avatar items for free, which is worn by Pokemon trainers challenging gym in Galar region. If you want to show off your Dragon Tape or Dark Type pride, you can purchase Dragon Tape Sport Uniform and Dark Type Sport Uniform avatar item in shop. Starting on Friday, August 20, 2021 at 10 a.m. local time. Event exclusive gift stickers will also be available. Pick them up in the shops or by spinning a photo disco at a Pokestop or gym. In addition, you can look forward to challenging different Pokemon raids during each week of the event. Week 1 raids. The following Pokemon will be appearing in race from Friday, uh, August 20 at 10 a.m. to August 26 at 10 a.m. Galarian Slowpoke, Galarian Farfetch'd, Unknown You, and Galarian Zigzagoon will be appearing in 1-star race. If you are lucky, you might find a shiny Galarian shiny Galarian Farfetch'd or shiny Unknown You. So there is no shiny Galarian Zigzagoon. Galarian Slowpoke shiny is not released. Galarian Weezing, Lapras and Phalanx will be appearing in 3-star raids. If you are lucky, you might find a shiny Galarian Weezing. I am going to hunt for Lapras. Zacian is hero of many battles from will be appearing in 5-star raids. You can also look out for a raid hour event in featuring Zacian happening on Wednesday 25 2021 from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. local time. Mega Beetle will be appearing in Mega Race. Mega Evolve Beetle for an advantage against Zacian in the form of Sin in its hero of many battles. I think Zacian is a fighting type only, right? Or another type. Interesting. I know Sabasanda is fighting and fairy. I don't know why. I think Zacian is fighting and psychic. I don't know about the Zacian's type. Sabasanda type is fighting and fairy. Pick 2 race. The following Pokemon will be appearing in race from Thursday, August 26 at 10 a.m. to September 1, 2021 at 10 a.m. local time. Galarian Meowth, Galarian Ponyta, Galarian Darumaka will be in 1-star raids. Snorlax, Galarian Stunfisk, Phalanx will be appearing in 3. I will hunt for Snorlax and Galarian Stunfisk. Samasanda, in his hero of many battles from will be appearing 5-star raids. Look out for the bonus raid hour featuring Samasanda happening on Monday, August 30 from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. local time. Mega Pidgeot will be appearing in Mega Raids. Mega Evolved Power and advantage against in its hero of many battle form. Many battle form? Yeah, a Mega Pidgeot will be appearing in Mega Raids. Mega Evolve Pidgeot for an advantage against Samasanda in its hero of many battles form. That makes sense. Samasanda is a fighting type, so flying type attacker is good. What's Hoopa up to now? I want to say Niantic too. If you make this fairy type Pokemon bad as Xerneas, people will get mad about Niantic. When they released the first ever fairy legendary, the Xerneas, it does not have any fairy move. I think there is only one fairy move in the game. That is Charm. That is a good move. And disgusting move. Because in PvP it is one of the best moves. But they do not give it. And they give Tackle and Zen Headbutt. So let's talk about next anytime. What Hoopa up to now? We are not sure trainers, but we will keep our research and report any finding as soon as we can. Until then, look forward to Pokemon original Discord in Galar region coming to Pokemon Go. So, if you understand this video, please like and share. And if you found this video and you want to see many information videos, please subscribe and click on the bell icon and press all. So, thank you.